page object model. So we'll be looking at page object model. So what is basically a page object model is? Anyone? Hmm? No issues. Okay. So see, they may ask in your interview, what is page object model? Okay. See, page object model is basically you take pages. It helps you to organize the things easily. Okay. So the example I will be taking, what I will be doing here, I will going to this website.
Abhinav, screen
Okay.
is not shared.
Okay. Okay. 1 minute. I will be going on this site. I will be logging on this site. I will be, so see, this is one page. I will be going another page. Okay. I will clicking on add to cart. Okay. This is second page. After that, I will go to cart. This is the third page. I will go for checkout. Okay. This is the fourth page. I will provide the information. This is the fifth page. And I will click on continue. This is the sixth page. So I will be taking 6 pages. I will be taking 6 pages. So I will be keeping their elements, their functions in are different files. I will be keeping their elements and functions in the different files. Each will have its own function. Got it? So you have a click function. You enter the username password. So these will be in your different. Okay. So this and see, you can and we will be sharing. We will be sharing the single browser. We will be sharing the single browser among all these pages. This is the beauty of page object model. Got it? Anyone? Okay. Now, first of all, now let's start with page object model. First of all, we have to install our playwright again. Okay. Because I will be creating clean page object, clean framework. We will do slowly. Don't worry. Okay. This is important because two things are left. Our Cucumber project is left and this project is left. Okay. Two projects which we are going to do for the automation are left. And after that, we will see its miscellaneous things. Okay, now over here, this is over, I create a new folder. Okay, all of you please create a new folder. You have to be in the same phase I am doing. 8 PLGST 8 PM framework. Okay, I am doing 8 PM. Selecting this folder. What is the command to install? So go over here, give npm init playwright and then it install. Give this command. Okay. What happened? Oh, sorry, latest. It is latest. My bad. It is latest, not installed. So TypeScript I have to install. Okay, end to end. Git. I will be checking this code in Git also. Okay. Wait and watch. It is installing, that is installed. Okay, it is installed. Everyone please install. I will 2 3 minutes install it.
So in that one, we have to select TypeScript, right?
Hmm. Don't ask these questions,
No,
Prasad.
no, I know, I know.
Yeah.
Uh, I just
Hmm.
I thought like everything would have been stopped, so maybe we are doing it some other
Yes. Yes.
test.
Yes.
Yeah, done.
Got it. Now, I hope everyone is done. Right. So,
One,
yeah, because I have to take one person guarantee that he has done, and then I can ask the question. So let's
mine is
start.
done.
Okay, fine, good. Now, now I go over here and create a new folder. Now I will be created these. I will create these pages. So I create a folder page. Okay. In this, let me create the page. I am showing to you. Again, go to it. I will be creating this login page. Okay. So just create the structure. I am creating a page, login page dot ts. Once I logged in, okay, I have this page that is, you can call it as a inventory page. Okay, let's call it as inventory page. Okay, so I call it as inventory. Fine. Inventory page dot ts. Okay. Now, now once I done with inventory, I get it. I get it. Sorry, I remove. I go over. So this can be called as cart page. Okay, let's make it as cart page. Okay,
Page 20.
cart page .ts. Once our cart is done, we go to checkout page. This is our checkout. Okay. Okay. So that is our checkout. That I will make in a same way. Okay. So I go ahead and make it a checkout. Everyone make it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now if I go to login, we already have know about it. Okay. So let's start with import. Locator, form, algorithm, there. Okay. Go over here. Now see. Now what I told you, we will be using a single browser. And so we have whatever the locators are, which should be used by other pages also. So you have to make them, you have to export them. Remember, I told import, export, I will tell you when we create a framework. So export means these variables can be used by other classes also. Export means these variables can be used by other classes also. So I go over here, create export class. Okay, login. This. Okay, I'm creating this class. And so, first of all, main thing is page. We have to export this page. So make it read only because no one should able to make the changes in it. Page, colon, page. Next is user input, password, login button, error. So these are also we have to put into it. So if I am here, so what are all the things are there? So I need to take this user input, password, login button, and if suppose I will be covering few test cases. If any error message come, I will be verifying this also. So I create it, go over here. So I create. So create the variable read only. Okay. User name input or input. Okay. And password also, login also, and error also. Create them. Okay. Now, now. So now I will be giving values to them. So how I will be giving the values? We study about constructors. So with the help of constructors, I will be giving values to these variables. So I go over here and calls the constructor. I calls the constructor page, the page which we have to share. Just make the notes. I go and give this dot page is equal to page, main page that will go everywhere. This page which will go everywhere. Okay. Okay. Because we got this, yeah. Now username, I need to put this dot user input name. I have to put wait this dot password. I have to put this dot login button. I have to put this dot error message. I have to, all this information I have to put. I will be putting with the page. This it will be shared among everything. Page is equal to page. Okay, and we have to take a locator. Locator. Let's take the locators. Let's take the locators. So if I go over here, if I inspect it, as you can see, this I'm taking data test. Okay, locator as data test username. Okay, we have already studied everything. Now we are implementing data test locator. I'm taking. Okay, this one locator I have to. Next, take the password. So if I go over here, go and inspect password. So data set is here. Why should I take a different things? Take one data set is here. Okay. Then login button. Let's expect it out. It is also having data set. Take this. Okay. And lastly, we have, see, what is the last I can have? Error message. Okay. So if I go to this error message which is coming, you inspect it. So it is also, no, 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 no. Login button we have taken. Error message I am talking about. Hmm. Error message. Password is required. Okay. What should I do? No, yeah, data set test is there. Yes, see, data test is there. I can take error message also, data test. That's I have to take Xmark, but I am not interested in Xmark. You should take up confirm the value. Okay? This is it. So now this here we are. Here we are actually. Fine. Anyone have any question? Let me write it down. Write it down. Now, this is the constructor. Now let's create a function. I create a function to navigate. Okay. So AC and navigate. So let me create a navigate function. AC navigate. Create this dot page dot. Okay, simple. See this. Now I will be using these functions only. Code. And we will go to our this. And we will. Okay. Simple. I will launch. After that, what I will do? I will fill the username and password. For that, I create login function. For that, I create login function. Basic login user login string or login. So I will be sending two values, username and password here. So just go over here and give await this dot username dot fill. What we will fill? We will fill with this user. I will be sending it over. We will be storing in JSON. I will add. Same way I will send the password. And once username password is there, I will be clicking on this radio button, login button. So I will click on this login button. So this will be the case. Okay. So this will be your basically login page functionality. Write it down. I'm giving this code to you. Try to understand and do it yourself.
Sync navigate.
What happened? Now, if I log in, okay, if I log in, so here comes our inventory page. And inventory page, we will have page, title will come, title will come, okay, product short down is there, okay, see, this is there, fine, we will check this also, cart icon is there, okay, burger menu is there, okay, logout button is there, okay, cart badge means this two is there, okay, so we will verify all these things. So I am going to verify all these things. So I am not going to give more time to it. So just go and inventory. Let's create into page. So I am doing okay page comma locator from PlayWright text export class inventory page. And what are all the things we are going to verify? All this will be read only format. So these are the things I am going to verify. Page title, product shop drop down, I show you cart icon, burger menu icon, logout button, and that. So we are going to verify all these things. So I will be creating constructor taking all of them one by one. So let's create constructor for it in the same way we created here in login button, login page. So I'm creating the same way till here. Now let's give the value to all this. Okay. Let's start. Let's start page title. Okay. No, don't worry, I will do it like this. This dot page title. Fine. Then we will have this dot product dot drop down. This dot card icon. This dot burger value button. This dot logout link. This dot card match. Okay, so I'm taking all these things. Now if you go to it, so I need to first of all verify the page title. So we are over here. So let me take it out what it is. So its class is title. Its class is title. Class means we can use with dot. Class means which we can use with dot. Remember? So I go over here and give page dot locator dot title. Page dot locator. Next. Then we will do page product short drop down. Just a second. Next is product short drop down. So this is the drop down. We will respect it. So you can take its data set. Okay, I take this data set. Guys, if you are not haven't practiced till now, you will not able to catch up. You are doing daily practice, then that is very good. Okay, now card icon is equal to previous filter. So let's go with card icon. This is the card icon. This is the card icon. Let's inspect it. Card. So we have I am taking class shopping cart link. Okay, that's it. Classes dot. I took it. Fine. Now burger button. This is the burger button. Inspect it. So what can be ID is there. ID I will take. Okay. So I go over here. You will take page dot locator. The ID is always hash. Remember? IT selecting this. Okay, just give clear till now. Now if I go to log out button, if you go over here, log out is there, let's expect it. So log out is basically ID is also there. Okay, good. Take ID. ID is the best thing I like to ID. Page dot locator. Okay. Okay. Over here, take point. This is the equal to page. Now we have to take this bag. Select it. So this is shopping cart bags. Okay, class is there. I'm taking class. Hmm. So these are all the objects I have identified, which we are working on. So I have given in a custom. Now I need to click on add to cart. Excuse me. So I have to go over here. I have to click over here. And then I have to click on add to cart. Okay. So let's create a function add to cart. So I create a function add to cart. So here I will get the product name. Okay. Product data test name column string. I will get the product name over here. Now if you see, I'm showing you one thing. See it properly. If I go to add to cart of it, you will find its name is add to cart source lab backpack. This is the its name. If you go over here, you will find add to cart source lab bike light. So these values are changing. Till add to cart it is same. Okay. But this value is changing. So get I will get this value from a when I will call it, I will send add to cart source by so it will come inside it. It will come inside it. I have to just now click on it. So I can click await this dot page dot locator. Okay, I take this data set. Okay, now data test is equal to add to cart. will be same. But this value I will get from the function that is either your backpack light or this thing. So I go over here till there it is same, but here I will get it variable. Okay, and at the end we have to click on that. Okay, guys. In the same way, active part is there, active part is there. Now I want to remove it. If I want to remove it, so if you inspect it, see remove is same here. If you see, remove is same here, but this thing is changing. Okay, this string is changing. So I will create a functionality. I will take the same function as the above code. Do copy paste as much as possible. Not for you guys, because you have to learn. I am taking the same as okay, but here you have to just go and put remove. Okay, you need to click on remove over here. Got it? Now, once you click on, I will remove one, then I will go and open the card. Okay, I will click on open card. Here, I will click on card icon. Right? So, and then after that, I will log out. So, what I do, I create another function. I see it. Guys, do because this is a very sleepy class. Framework means people get a bit of sleeping. This is not a something we call it as a movie. Okay, don't watch. We have thousands of videos on YouTube. Okay, try to do it.
Mhm.
Open. I will open the card. Await this dot card icon dot and at the end card icon I will click. I will go and log out. So for logging out also see we are doing two things. We are clicking over here and then logging. Okay. So what I do is in log out.
Log out.
Over here and give await this dot auto menu button dot. So we click over here, auto menu and click on log out. Await this. Anyone, any question? Tell me. Do you want me to continue on next page or you will practice it on everyone?
Yeah, we'll practice.
Everyone?
We'll practice.
Anjali?
Want to-
So, okay, okay, fine, no issues. Just practice it out. I have given you. Yeah, Anjali, you are saying something?
Yeah, we'll practice.
Okay, fine. Practice it out. Tomorrow, 2 page more I will complete. Okay. So we will have a slowly and slowly we will be going with this framework. Okay, I will send you the recording in the morning. Okay, see you tomorrow.